Forget about the world. I did this for my sister.
Faceplate to 06. Friendly air traffic approaching south of 180. Call sign is Watcher 1.
Copy. It's Laswell.
What's she doing here?
I smell blood. Lab intel. Keep it on you.
Yes, sir.
What the hell is this?
It's the off switch. We're turning him over.
To who?
Russia.
Prisoner swap.
It's one way.
What's the word, boss? Stand by.
Don't make this ugly, Captain.
Give me a reason not to.
It's a proxy war, John. We're all just pawns in this.
You speak for yourself. Hand him over.
Yes, sir.
The deal's yours. Intel's mine.
Whatever you've got going on here, I can help.
I'll call you if I need you.
Got you 6, Captain.
Farah! Let's talk.
I know how this works, Captain.
Not this time. They gave Hadir to the Russians.
They'll kill him.
If he's lucky.
Looks like you saved the free world again, Captain Price.
Hadir located Barkov's lab in eastern Georgia.
Gas factory.
He had plans to destroy it.
It is fucking crazy.
Yeah, but we're a little crazy, aren't we? Isn't that right, Alex?
Affirmative, sir.
With your help, we can finish what he started.
You're a good friend, Captain. And the worst enemy, I'm sure. But I do not cross borders and invade. I defend my people here at home.
Well, sometimes the best line of defense. It's all there. Plans, personnel.
I see. A militia with no ties to the West could carry out this mission.
And they'd all blame the terrorists, wouldn't they?
I knew I could trust you. If Barkov's there, he's mine.
This is a covert operation to destroy Barkov's gas lab. Nikolai's on the inside. He'll provide the explosives. 2 teams will infiltrate. Garrick and I will plant charges on the pipeline. Farah and Alex, you'll get a detonator from Nikolai and rig the main furnace. When the charges are set, get a safe distance and bring it down. That support from Laswell paves the way. Rest is up to us.
Troops in the open north side of the bridge. Copper fire.
3 seconds to inbound.
Bell's rung. Let's see who's on.
Farah! Yalla, yalla!
Perimeter's open, Kate. We're moving in.
Handing off straight control to you now, 3-1. Air assets are all yours.
Copy. Good on you, Kate.
You have the con, 3-1. Shoot smart. Watch her out.
Jaguar 4-7, this is Echo 3-1. Call for fire.
Echo, Jaguar is ready for tasking. Mark your target.
Fucking aircraft coming up!
Echo, Jaguar is ready for tasking. Mark your target.
Don't stop! Top of the hill! By the tree! Right.
Give me cover! Southwest!
Yeah, I got it. Concrete barrier.
Grenade! People! Cover me!
Almost to the top. Move your ass! Don't stop! Top of the hill! Let's go! Move your ass! Understood. Understood.
General Barkov!
By the concrete barrier. Let's make sure he never leaves.
Understood!
Top of the hill! Weapon proof. Weapon proof.
Direct, you got a group of them.
By the concrete barrier. Understood.
Jaguar is back in the AO, ready for target. Don't go. Direct, you got a group of them. Mark, head down. KIA.
Enemies on the road! Get ready! General Barkov!
Let's make sure he never
Enemy moving!
Go, Joy. Adjust your fire. At the concrete barrier. Shots out.
Mark to engage. Laser target for me.
Enemy bird! Get him, Alex! They're on the run. I don't see them!
Echo, Jaguar is on station. Standing by for your mark.
Flash, one enemy KIA.
Enemy on the left!
Clear.
Doing KIA.
3-1, Jaguar is peeling off for reload. Stand by.
Echo team, this is your start line. Fight your way to Nikolai for the charges.
Masks on. Target disregard. The workers are moving.
Let's go to work.
We'll get them.
They're well armed for a lab.
We're bearing it all.
Everyone, fan out! Heads up. Moving up, second level. Heading to level 3.
Alex, Tara, come quickly, get their charges. The detonator will start the chain reaction.
Load the furnace, the rest follows.
Correct. Don't lose it.
Why help us?
Barkov is a stain on my country. It will not stand.
Спасибо, Nikolai.
I'll take the rest with Price and Sergeant Garrick. See you on the other side.
Cover me! Soldier down! Reloading!
I get gritty! Target is moving!
He's scared shitless.
Cover fire! Противники мне укрытие!
Ты точно сдохнешь!
Блокировали! Alex, the furnace is this way. This way to the furnace. We're getting close.
Mara, we've got a problem.
What is it?
Echo, this is Actual. How copy?
Send traffic, Actual.
Got eyes on General Barkov. I say again, Barkov is moving to the helipad.
Echo is approaching the furnace now, Actual.
Set your charges and move.
The furnace is through here. There's the door.
On it.
Clear! What happened?
Detonator's fucked.
It's dead. I'll go in there.
And do what?
Ignite the furnace.
You'll never get away in time.
I know what I'm doing.
Farah, listen to me.
No, you listen to me. Because of this poison, my people have known something worse than war. I did not come this far to turn back.
I'm not asking you to turn back. I'm asking you to give me the order.
I won't do that.
Commander, please.
I am not your CO.
Then who is? Because someone needs to light this fire and someone needs to kill Barkov. And you can't do both. I've been an assignment my whole life. This is what I believe in. Give me the order.
You are a freedom fighter, Alex.
You're a born leader, Farah. Say the word.
Go.
Yes, ma'am. Good luck.
Set at the furnace. Farah's going for the general.
Roger, Echo. Fighting to the pipeline now.
Set, Sergeant.
No ROEs now, huh, Captain?
None at all. Starting with that sniper. RPG, let's go!
Watch your fire!
Push for cover! Drop the guard! By the car! Reloading! And the pillar! pushing Kyle! Clear them out! Got targets by the loading dock! I see them! We're clear! Bravo! On me! Pipes lead this way, let's get this done! Yes, sir! All right, set the charges, let's go. Pipeline charge is hot! Markov's bugging out. Farah, Nikolai, where are you?
Мне все равно, сколько сейчас времени! С Москвой мне связь! Быстро!
Say again. Barkov is wheeled up.
Скажите им это, генерал Барков! Меня не будут игнорировать!
I've got eyes
Все
on.
равно, сколько сейчас времени! С Москвой мне связь! Быстро! Скажите им это, генерал Барков! You! I'm still here, Farah! I told you, Farah, a long time ago. Your country breeds terror. No!
Shut your mouth! Let's see if dogs can fly.
What's the status?
Captain, Barkov is dead.
Roger that. Alex, charges set?
Affirmative, sir.
Alex,
I'm not getting out of here. Let's do this.
thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
All clear, Captain.
Roger. All stations on my mark. 3, 2, 1. Target destroyed. Well done.
Karim! Mother Russia would approve. Where to?
Urzikstan. Home.